Hi, I'm Bill Lampton, often referred to by my clients as the speech coach for champions. In the 3 to 4 to 5 minutes that it will take you to watch this video, you could easily think up probably 25 or 50 or maybe even 100 reasons why it's very difficult for you to stay motivated, highly motivated every day. It could be marriage, it could be something with your children, problems with your parents, it could be job loss or worry about your job loss, thoughts of your house being foreclosed, serious illness for you or a family member, death of a loved one or of a friend. We could go on and on. We could talk about the boss that we don't like, the colleagues that we don't like working with, the neighbors that we can't get along with. We could spend plenty of time on all of these, but we're not here to focus on the problem. We're here to talk about a solution. And fortunately, I have brought you a solution. It's in the form of this audio CD titled, Always Push the Up Button, How to Stay Highly Motivated Every Day. Now, in this CD, I take two approaches. First, I spend some time talking about my 3 major ways of maintaining my own motivation. Quick illustration. One of the people that I will talk about is Christina Rhodes. I call Christina one of my heroes. Christina, at age 10 months, had an accident which gave her partial paralysis for life, and yet she has lived and continues to live a life of zest and productivity. We'll talk too about Terry Brock. Terry is one of the most successful marketers and teachers of technology in the entire world. I'll tell you what I learned from my childhood high school buddy and lifelong friend, Eagle Day, who became a star quarterback at Ole Miss and also played in the National Football League and the Canadian Football League. All right, the question arises, how do you order this audio CD? Always push the up button. How to stay highly motivated every day. It's very simple. Just look at the bottom of this screen and you will see the link to my website's shopping cart. There it is again. Take a look. Here's the link. Type that into your computer. It will take you to my shopping cart on my website. And as I've mentioned, you can order either the audio CD itself or the downloadable MP3. Whichever you order, consider getting copies for those that you love and care for and work with, because this can bring motivation to them as well. I appreciate your considering this recommendation that could change your life dramatically and keep you in the kind of productive, serene, and great mood that you've been waiting for a long time. Again, thanks for being with me. I'm Bill Lampton, the speech coach for champions.